For one of the case using your level of detailing, we are in a pretty good example of using LOC or you can say LOD, level of details. So this technique will be used where you are working with making some value constant and comparing the constant value with the running values, or you can say with running data outcomes. So take an example. I am looking for making analytics, stating that say I'm at category sales. I'm seeing it on average wise. So I am having this furniture as 1434, then 942, then technology is 1435. So my query is here. So what is the difference of individual categories available in compared to total average of your sheet? If you take if 1 2, so I say total average is 1 to 9, and I'm looking for category wise. So this is my category wise average. So I'm looking for what is the difference of furniture as compared to my original 1298 value. Same offer supply is having 942 talks. Then technology we are having 1425 as an average. So my query is how much is the difference as compared to my total average sale of my complete sheet or complete database. So it is very much required where you are comparing the performance of individual departments. So few departments are working pretty good and some others are not working. So doing the comparative study, we require to use this sort of examples. So for that, we have to make a calculator fill. I'll say you named it anything. LOD sales. I'll named it. You write it very precisely. Bracket should be there. I say sales amount is there. I want to minus in from average of sales. If you put like this, there will be error. For LOD, we have to make sure we are having curly brackets there. For specifying that we are going to use LOD statements. So these curly brackets are having special meaning, stating that you are phrasing this average sales intact, and you are calculating this average difference with your average sales. This sale will be computed based on your summarization request. It can be based on category, it can be based on summation, it can be based on your segment, it can be based on dates and all. So this would be changing at runtime, and this data would be intact, and you will be having fixed average value to be given a difference from your summarization data. In our case, we are summarizing our data based on category. Now, but my fix of this total average to be kept as a fixed value. So I'll be getting information about 1434 minus 28 1294, or let me write 98 only to be very precise. Same here, 1298, same 1298. So if you are looking for such case to be calculated, then you have to go for LOD. There are so many LOD options are there. I'm going for normal standard LOD. So I'm just say apply, then OK. Then I'll be getting this LOD sale here. Then let me drag it on parallel. So see the difference is there. So we are able to get this now. My difference is what? Here I am getting value 115, which is in positive nature. Here we are having a negative because we missed our target, or we missed our base point. Then here I am saying I am having a positive difference 127. So this is LoD will be very helpful if you are having computation to be done based on keeping one value static and other value variable. If you see, if I change a category, if I put segment here, difference would be there accordingly. We need not to change the formula, and we need not to go for changing my LoD function to be changed or to be revised. It get computed automatically based on the grouping. If I take sub categories, then computation will be there accordingly. So what is the difference from the base? So that's